Ethereum wallet, how to set up and create a ETH account. In this video we'll teach you how to store your ethers in wallet. There are different types of wallet, but no matter which kind you choose, you will always be in charge of managing your coins. What's an ether wallet? An ether wallet is similar to an online bank account. From your wallet you are able to send, receive and manage your coins. Which Ethereum wallet should I choose? There are different types of wallets, each with their own features. 1. Mobile wallet. With a mobile wallet you store your coins on your smartphone. Carry your wallet with you. Free. Less safe than a hardware wallet. 2. Software wallet. A software wallet needs to be downloaded on your computer. Managing your coins using a computer. Managing your coins using your PC or laptop. Free. Less safe than a hardware wallet. 3. Hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device. Managing your cryptocurrencies from a physical device. Safest storage method. Tip: you can use the Koinomi mobile wallet to buy your cryptos at BTC Direct, without ever having to switch between tabs and applications. And since you don't have to copy and paste your receiving address anymore, it's way more simple and safe as well. How do I create an mobile Ether wallet? Creating an Ethereum wallet is very easy. There are various options for storing your ethers. Each type of wallet has its own characteristics, and are different in terms of ease of use and safety. Which wallet should you choose? That depends on what you want to use your ethers for and what your buying needs are. Are you buying ether for the first time? Then a wallet for your smartphone is quick, easy and user-friendly. Follow these simple steps to create wallet and app. Go to the App Store, iOS, or to Google Play, Android. Search and download. Open the app and write down your recovery code. Very important, this is the backup of your wallet. Set a strong password. Add Ethereum to your wallet. Use your receiving address to receive ether. What's an ether receiving address? Each wallet has its own receiving address. This is a unique sequence of numbers and letters that always start with 0x. It's similar to a bank account number. Would you like to receive ether? Then you provide the sender with your receiving address. Would you like to send ether to another wallet? Then you need the receiving address of the recipient. Make sure to always copy the receiving address from your own wallet. Safety and backup. You are responsible for storing your ether safely. It's important to keep your digital wallet safe, just like you would your physical wallet. If your wallet isn't properly secured, hackers might be able to access it and steal your coins. The best way to keep your wallet safe is to store your seed phrase, also referred to as recovery seed, offline. The seed phrase is usually a sequence of 12 or 24 words, which functions as a backup for your wallet. Write the seed phrase down with pen and paper, and store this in a safe place. Do not store it online or even digitally, since most devices are connected to the internet, and are therefore vulnerable to hackers. Note: a much-used extra safety measure is two-factor authentication, 2FA. Thank you for watching.